Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically next level part of the language. Here basically suddenly basically one person basically from satellite basically asked the question, Sunil basically have you got the job basically? So Sunil answered no basically. Still basically I not got the job in software company basically. He asked the question basically, Sunil, have you got the job in software company in Mumbai, in Pune, basically Bangalore, in Gandhinagar, in Vadodara city, anywhere in the software company? So Sunil Arna told them no basically. Still not got the job basically. There is no job basically for Sunil Arna basically. That groups basically are telling basically. So one person basically asked the question basically, Sunil, do you know basically where you have submitted the resume basically? Yes, basically I know basically. I have submitted basically through Google basically. That is a Sundar Pichai ID basically. He was that person basically. He basically, if you want basically, you can ask him basically. He will give the entire detail basically. That where basically where the Sunil Arna basically send the resume basically. In which buildings basically that resume has reached basically. So after that basically suddenly that satellite person basically left. So let's see basically what he do basically. So that's basically what's personal basically. Now basically see professional basically. The data basically is dumped into that land basically, and from that land basically 1,000 crore computers basically are getting power supply. That is one point basically. Another point is Amazon Group basically, that is API system basically which is created by Amazon Groups only. They only basically know the data. So they only basically creates. Their group basically are Accenture is there, Capgemini. They are that's are basically the vendor of the Amazon basically. So it can be basically. I'm not 100% sure basically, but just taking rough example basically because normal so small company basically can't afford Amazon basically. So like this basically things are. So they basically created one API and API basically checks everything basically. Here basically we have taken one example 1 lakh objects basically which are using power supply basically. In that basically 1 lakh basically the power supply is going to take the power supply data is 1500. Here basically 1500 types of power supply. Here basically we added one more, that is 1500 one power supply basically. That one basically has to be checked, but it can be checked when it has integrated basically. Then only you can check na basically, because all data also be supposed to be exist. So it's 1500 one data is supposed to be checked basically. So next video see.